Hello and welcome. We're going to show you the calibration procedure for the Lap-TEQ Plus inclinometer. Lap-TEQ Plus can be mounted in different orientations: mounting plate at the bottom, mounting plate at the top, or mounting plate to the left or to the right side. The sensor comes with a precise factory calibration for mounting plate at the bottom. If you experience wrong sensor readings, or if you want to mount the sensor in a different orientation than mounting plate down, just follow this procedure. For calibration, we need a spirit level, a ruler with 45 degrees angle, the Lap-TEQ Plus display, Lap-TEQ Plus sensor, and the special calibration cable that is included in the Lap-TEQ Plus set. Connect the sensor and the display using the calibration cable. Use the spirit level to verify that your table or work surface is leveled. To start the calibration process, press and hold the Cal button while powering on the display. Release both buttons once the display is powered up. The display will show calibration mode at the top right, and then it asks Start Calibrate. Simply confirm with a short click on the Cal button. The first calibration cycle is for mounting plate facing down, the label with the writing facing up. This is the default mounting position. Each calibration cycle has 4 steps. For step 1, position the sensor horizontal at 0.0 degrees and press the Cal button. The display shows Don't Move while the calibration measurement is happening. For step 2, position the sensor horizontal at 0.0 degrees facing the opposite direction. Press Cal to start the measurement. For the third step, we must put the sensor at a precise plus 45 degrees angle. Press Cal to start the measurement. For step 4, position the sensor at a precise minus 45 degree angle. Again, press Cal to start the measurement. After a little while, the display shows calibration data stored. The calibration has been completed for this mounting position with the mounting plate facing down. We could stop now and power off. However, if we want to use the sensor in a different mounting position, we have to keep going. Second calibration cycle is for mounting plate up. We must repeat the same 4 steps as before, but this time with the sensor upside down. First position is the sensor horizontal at precise 0.0 degrees. Second position is the sensor at 0.0 degrees pointing the opposite direction. Third step is the sensor at plus 45 degrees. And fourth step is the sensor at minus 45 degrees. Again, after a little while, the display confirms that the calibration for mounting plate up has been stored. We could power down now and stop, or we continue in case we want to use the sensor mounted on the side. Third calibration cycle is for mounting plate to the left. This is seen from the side of the XLR connector into the direction of where the laser beam is shooting at. First calibration position is horizontal at 0.0 degrees, the sensor on its side with the mounting plate on the left. For the second position, keep the sensor on the same side, but pointing the opposite direction at 0.0 degrees. Third step is plus 45 degrees, still mounting plate on the left. And fourth step is minus 45 degrees. Same as before, the display confirms the calibration of this mounting position. We could stop now, or we continue to the fourth and last mounting position with the mounting plate on the right side. Again, this is seen from the side of the XLR connector in the direction of the laser beam. First step is 0.0 degrees. Second step is 0.0 degrees in the opposite direction. Third step is plus 45 degrees. And the last step, as before, is minus 45 degrees. At the end of this fourth cycle, the display reads calibration complete, which means all calibration data has been gathered for all four mounting orientations.